Good morning, happy Friday, and happy 1 year anniversary of the last normal day of school any of us had. It was 1 year ago this week that we started our spring break, and things have changed drastically since then. And I would not want to be going through this crazy journey with anyone else except for you. So thank you for being here. We're going to start with the announcements today. The first is seventh graders. Today is the last day for your parents to log into their Skyward account to approve your classes for next year. We are already getting started with all of that scheduling. We want to ensure that you get the classes that you want. So please have your parents, if they've not done so already, log into their Skyward account so that they can get your course requests approved. Also, we are offering another Spanish credit by exam. This gets you high school credit. High school credit for 7th and 8th graders. That test is going to be on March 24th. You need to see Miss Ward or Miss French if you need more information about that. Or you can get the form that is at the counselor's office. Also, today is your last day to, during lunch, pay $10 for a wristband to support our Hero Squad fundraiser, and you'll get to wear relaxed dressed all next week, which is the week before spring break. So get that taken care of in lunch today, and the Battle of the Books is continuing. So please be sure you're using the QR code right there. I'll pause for just a second so that you can choose the winner on these tournament books. Real quick, I want to wish good luck to the orchestra. They are competing in their UIL contest today at Beverly Hills Intermediate. So good luck to you guys. I'll be there supporting you. I hope you have fun and bring us back some ones. Have a great day.